Well, look at that. I wasn't really prepared to make a big old mess all over the place. I should have put a drop cloth back down, but I didn't. And here's what I had to do. See how I notched the sheetrock over here and over there? And then I had to reposition my wires so that the white wire is kind of coming this way, and the black wire, the solid wire, is kind of wrapping around this way, and it will fit in here. Then I can kind of push it up. I was able to get the ground screw pushed way up in there, just barely. Okay, so I got that one out of the way. And then I can kind of zigzag it up there, and it should be able to fit. And then the mounting, see the mounting screws that come down, they fit through there, and then they get attached with these little nuts. Okay, so that's how that works. Okay, so I'll get up there and get her done. Well, I'm having a heck of a time with that one. I should have checked something first. And here's the other one. And here's the bracket. And see, these fit in there and come out the front like that, see? Now, for some reason, that one's not fitting. And I looked at it, and it's the same as this one. And you see there's other holes where you can loosen this up, unscrew that, put it in a different hole, and you can make this wider. Well, they didn't really have to do that because these are supposed to fit. Well, son of a gun, can you believe that me trying to do the same thing with that one up there? Once I get it, one side fits, the other side is short by about 3/16. 3/16, so I can pull this back out, undo this nut, undo this screw, put it in there, and I think it'll fit, but see, that might just barely be too big. And I don't really want to drill the hole any bigger, you know, these mounting screw holes, because then the nut won't fit. See, that goes on like that. Where's my mounting screws? See, here's your mounting trim that gets put on there. That's what's going to be left. I don't want to have to drill that hole out to make it bigger. And I don't know. Like I said, I should have checked that. But hey, my loss is your gain. When you get ready to check something like that, see what's going on, and maybe I can bend this out further, and then hold it up there and see if it'll fit. You know, I measured, and maybe they bent the bracket just a hair short. Why it's not fitting, I will not know, because this is supposed to line up. I tried it, and see how this is going kind of at a slight angle. See how when they bent that out, that can make this dimension from here to here different. So I may have to take that whole bracket out, bend it out, and remeasure it and try it again. So I may have to take that light fixture down or something, or not, hold it out, do something, and tweak this, because I have a feeling if I pull out one side, take it off, and put it in the next hole over, it's going to be too big. I'm going to have to mess with it and figure it out. I looked at that other one. It looks pretty much the same as this. But could I have bent it out a little bit? Maybe. I didn't think I needed to. Well, my loss is your gain. So I'm going to have to work on that until I can make it fit. Okay, I pulled it all down just so you can see. Pulled it all down. And you see, if you pull this out a little bit, can you see how, if I just do that, I made those bigger. If I push this in, like that, I just made them smaller. Okay, and that's what was happening. I just had to do something like that and then measure. And I looked at the outside from point to point, measured with my tape measure, 2 3/4 inches. And so once I put that in there, when I tighten it up, I'm going to have to measure from point to point after I tighten these two up and make sure I'm right at 2 3/4, because before somehow it got sucked in like that, and then it wouldn't fit. Okay, you got to be careful with that. So my loss is your gain. Did I do that for your purpose? I'll let you be the judge of that.